So Tia, in this video, we're gonna talk all about cursing. So what you need to—
Shut the f up, Dad!
Don't be a goddamn bitch and start cursing today. What?
It's just that today.
In this video, I'm gonna tell you why I curse so fucking much, how it's made me so successful, and why I think everybody should curse as well. All right, so before this video starts, let's have a curse counter and see how many times I cursed in this video. All right, so let's get this goddamn counter started. Don't be a bitch and watch this shit to the end because it's gonna be incredible. Now let's get one thing straight. I think it's super important of how people use their curse words. There's definitely a right and a wrong way to use them. Here is the way that I use them, and this is the way I think everybody should use them as well. I use them strictly as adjectives to further express how I feel. So the first example is, if somebody asks me how I'm doing today, I tell them I'm doing fucking awesome today. Now, think about how that sounds. What if I just said, I'm doing awesome today? Now think about it. I'm doing fucking awesome today. How much better do you think my day is going by doing fucking awesome than just awesome? Example number 2, when someone tells me something that's just a great idea, I tell them, that idea is the shit. How much better does that sound than telling someone that's just a great idea? So if you see how I'm using these words to bring people up, not bring them down. So I would never say to someone, you're a piece of shit. That's terrible. That's not the way I want to use it. I would never use that word in a derogatory way. So I just said I would never use it in a derogatory way. However, there are some exceptions. When I'm using all these curse words, I'm extremely aware of who I'm saying them to. I wouldn't talk to a stranger the same way that I talk to all my friends. So for example, if I was talking to a stranger, I might say, don't be a wuss. But if I was talking to my friend, I'd say, don't be a bitch. Think about the way this sounds. If I tell you don't be a wuss, it's kind of like, not so strong. But if I tell you don't be a bitch, you're really gonna listen to me. Now the reason why I could say that stuff to my friends is because they respect me, I respect them, and they know that I don't mean it in a bad way. So if I'm cursing at you a lot, just know that I like you a lot more than the people I don't curse at. So I wanna say to all the people watching this video, go fuck yourself. I love you guys. So to summarize all this up, before I start cursing, I check to see who's around me. Is it friends of mine? Is it some prude people? I want to see how much they curse and how much I think is going to be acceptable for me to curse and what I could say. Are these the type of people that are going to respect me more and get closer to me for cursing? Or are these the type of people I'm going to ruin all rapport with? All right, guys, so now I'm going to introduce 2 of my kids to see what they think about cursing. All right, Ty, so the first question I have for you, do you curse?
Yes.
So what curse words are your favorite? What do you say the most?
I don't want to say them, but...
Well, you just said you curse and you say them. Go ahead and say them.
I'm good. I do say some, but I don't want to say them right now.
Don't be a pussy. Just say them. Okay, well, who do you say these curse words to?
Like people like my friends at school. When I'm on like playing video games, I say it.
So you're basically cursing to like your friends, the people that you know well.
Yeah.
So do you think it's okay to curse?
Yeah, I think it's okay.
So it sounds like you don't curse to people you don't know. You're cursing mainly to people you know.
Yep.
So when you curse at people, you actually like them a lot more.
Yeah, because I know them because they don't really take offense to it.
All right, so you didn't want to say a curse word just now. Is because you have to think about it? Like, why can't you just curse?
Because I don't really feel the need to.
You don't feel... So what you just said was that you only curse in front of people that you like and respect, all that. You don't want to curse in front of me. So you don't really like me.
No, it's not like that. It's just that I don't want to curse.
You don't want to curse?
Not right now.
What makes you want to curse?
When something happens, like when I have a strong emotion, something like that.
So strong emotion. And how do you feel after you curse?
I feel like that emotion is carried with that word, like it just goes out.
So it makes you feel better?
Right.
So how old are you right now?
14.
And how old were you when you first started cursing or first started using curse words?
Maybe when I was 11.
You didn't curse before you were 11?
I don't think so.
Oh, you're full of shit.
I don't think so. I don't remember.
So what about your brother and sister? How old were they when they started cursing, do you think?
Maybe like a year or 2 ago.
You didn't hear your brother or sister curse until about a year or 2 ago?
They will always curse in private, maybe.
Oh, okay. So Tia, we've seen you in a bunch of videos so far. I don't remember you ever cursing in any of these videos yet. So do you curse?
Sometimes.
You curse sometimes. What makes you want to curse?
When I'm mad and when someone makes me mad.
What curse words do you say when you're mad?
The F word.
The F word?
Yeah.
What other words?
The B word.
The B word? So How can you say the B word? Why don't you just say it?
Because I say them in my head.
All right, so
And sometimes I stick up the middle finger.
stick up the middle finger. How many times have you cursed at one of your teachers?
I don't curse at my teachers.
You don't curse at your teachers? So who are the types of people that you curse around?
My brothers
So you curse around your brothers. Who else?
and my cousin.
Your cousin?
Yeah.
Like what? Like give me an example of when you curse in front of your cousin. What do you say?
We don't. But I don't curse. I don't want to tell you. Okay. We just stick up the middle finger. That's it.
You stick up the middle finger at each other?
But that's just a joke.
It's a joke?
Yes.
So cursing's funny?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
When you say it's funny.
Do you think cursing's bad?
No.
So why not?
Because it's just words.
It's just words. So why don't you curse more if it's not bad?
Because other people think it's bad.
Really?
And yeah.
Who tells you it's bad?
My mom, my teachers, some of my friends.
Do I tell you it's bad?
Nope.
I don't tell you it's bad?
No.
I mean, it's bad sometimes. It depends on who you're cursing in front of. And
Yeah, but you
what
don't
you're saying.
say the words are bad. You don't say the words are bad. You just say like all that stuff.
But you know why? Because when you curse, when I hear you curse, you don't really say it in a bad way. You say it in a more expressive way. And to me, that's fine.
Yeah.
All right, so this is what I think. A lot of parents try to not let their kids curse and all these different things because they're like, oh, I don't want them to start cursing. But, once you get older, everyone starts cursing. So what's the difference if you wait a few more years or start cursing now? I don't see the difference.
I don't know. I have to ask my mom about that.
You have to ask
If
your mom.
she says when we get older we can start cursing, but like she kind of knows that we Thai curses.
Oh, so mommy said that you can start cursing when you get older, just not yet?
Yeah.
Oh, so that's cool. How old do you have to be to start cursing? How old did she say?
She say like when we're like 15, 16, I'm not sure.
So 15, 16, you curse as much as you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think so.
Yeah. Why do you think she picked that age? Why do you think like 15 is okay to start cursing, but at 12 it's too young?
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Cause probably we're still in her house and stuff.
Well, you're still gonna be in her house at 15. Where are you going? You moving out?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
And buy a house from you.
You buy a house.
And buy a house from you. So you're gonna give me a discount.
I believe cursing throughout my life has made me very successful. Here are some of the reasons why. Reason number one, it makes me stand out and be more memorable. So let me give you some examples. I speak at a lot of different events all over the country, and sometimes I'm not the only speaker. Sometimes there's 4, 5, 6 other speakers there. And you know what? I am cursing way more than any other speaker. And after the events, people come up to me and they're like, you know what? Like, you are so authentic. I really, really trust you. You are yourself. I believe you more than anybody else, and I can't wait to keep following you. Now, I do have a bunch of fucking idiots that don't like it, and they don't follow me and they block me. But you know what? Fuck them! Another reason why cursing makes me so successful is because it helps me build so much more rapport with people. Now, you might think cursing might kill the rapport, but literally it helps me build way more rapport with people than it kills. So because of the way I curse, and I do it in a good way, not a bad way, it just makes people feel like I'm so much more genuine, transparent, and they could connect to me a lot easier. Most people, when they're talking to people, have this filter, and there's certain things they won't say, there's certain things they're hiding. I don't give a fuck. I'll say anything. I don't hide shit. Like, I don't have a filter. So people see that right through me when I'm talking to them. And a lot of it is because of some of the cursing I do with them. And another reason why cursing's done so well for me in life is because it makes me a lot more humorous and likable. Think about it like this. People spend a lot of money to go to comedy clubs. The best comedians curse more than anybody. People go and pay lots of money for that. They could talk to me for free, and I'm just gonna have them have a great time. Man, I went through this whole video, and I don't think I said the word pussy, cock, bitch, cunt, ass, dick. Like, those words just didn't fit in this video somehow. So maybe some words you shouldn't say. I don't know. So if you still don't think cursing is a good idea after watching this whole video, you guys are fucking idiots. All right, so my final thoughts for this video is, let's start cursing, you fucking motherfucking bitches. So for all the people that watched this fucking awesome video, what should they do right now?
They should like, comment, and subscribe.
So Tia, in this video, to start the video off, I'm gonna be telling you a whole lot of stuff, and you're just not gonna wanna listen to me, so you're gonna say, go shut the fuck up, Dad. All right, so all you bitches that stayed to the end, this is going to be the final curse tally.